we all have a purpose on this earth, and for me, taking care of people is my passion. I just love it. Just wherever I am, I just want to make a difference. Just helping. So much passion in my heart. I think most of it is installed by my parents. My parents were very compassionate, giving people, especially my mother. Next to Mother Teresa, she was the most kindest woman I knew. So that had effect on me. In the past, we had a lady who used to tell me, you are a daughter I have ever, I always wanted a daughter like you. So that was so special. Yeah. At the end of the day, I examine my day every day, and how many smiles I bring and how many lives I touch. It's beyond the paycheck, and for me, it's rewarding. It's for me. It's for me. It's just gives me joy to make a difference in their life, to be that shoulder, to be that servant, you know. My special friend here, sometimes, she'll be upset, and and I will open my arm and say, I hug her. The next thing you know, she's all teased and laughing and just like, what do you want me to do? So just like that. I come in and each table greet them by their name, and we go about how's your kids. They ask me about my kids. I ask them about their family. The conversation start there. So it's like friendship. They can count on me. I'm excited to see them. They are excited to see me, and the feeling is mutual.